Everybody, just wanted to give you guys an update here. So right now we are short-staffed in terms of our shipping department. We're reallocating some people to be moved around in order to cover the shortage. This may result in a longer shipping time of 1 to 3 days. Myself, Samantha, and Aaron are all going to be taking turns doing shipping, so hopefully we can still get things out almost as quick, but I did want to give everybody a heads up. Last night, our main shipping person named Rachel, her grandmother passed away, and we're giving her time off so she can take care of things that she needs to do on her personal side. In terms of the face shield project, because we are short staffed, we're currently putting a pause on taking new applications as well as volunteer requests. We are still printing the face shield frames. We're also still laser cutting the face shield plastic front piece. Once we get back to normal operations, we should have a good stockpile of the parts so we can start fulfilling requests for the PPE equipment again. Right now, if you click any of the links that take you to the request or help forum, those will be redirected to a page stating that right now the project is paused. Unfortunately, we have to do this because right now we do not have adequate staff to maintain normal operations in a timely manner, as well as keeping the face shields moving out the door. I don't want to be taking requests when we can't fulfill them in a timely fashion. I apologize for anybody that this inconveniences, but this is something we have to do for right now until things get back to normal. I appreciate everybody's patience and support, and I hope you're all staying safe in these tough times. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy printing.